Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm so glad you joined us. We've all been there. You wake up, look in the mirror, and there it is, a breakout right before a big day. It's tempting to start squeezing, but wait. Today, I'm showing you exactly how to handle pimples and acne at home without leaving scars or making things worse. Let's get into the routine. Step 1 is non-negotiable. Stop touching your face. Your hands carry oils and bacteria that turn a small bump into a major breakout. Start by washing your face with a gentle, fragrance-free cleanser and lukewarm water. Avoid hot water. It strips your natural oils and actually triggers your skin to produce more oil to compensate. Pat dry with a clean towel. Never rub. Next, focus on treatment. If you have a whitehead, use a hydrocolloid pimple patch. These are game changers. They suck out the gunk and keep you from picking at it. If it's an angry, red bump, look for ingredients like salicylic acid to unclog pores. For a natural root, a tiny dab of raw honey works as a great antibacterial spot treatment. Just leave it on for 15 minutes and rinse. The biggest mistake people make is skipping moisturizer because they think their skin is too oily. When your skin is dry, it gets irritated and breaks out more. Use a light, non-comedogenic moisturizer to seal everything in. Also, check your pillowcase. If you haven't changed it in a few days, you're sleeping on a bed of old oils. Swap it out tonight. Consistency is key. Give these steps a few days to work instead of looking for an overnight miracle. To make it easy for you, I've linked all the products I mentioned right below this video, or you can find them organized in the link in my bio. I only recommend the stuff that actually works. Hit that subscribe button for more tips, stay glowing, and I'll see you in the next one.